Good PM. Today is Thursday, October 12, 2023. And here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sword 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for October 12, 2023, Thursday. Here are the SL Sword 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for Thursday, October 12, 2023. Here are the SL Sword 3 p.m. result for Cebu City under LTS Advance Incorporated for October 12, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for October 12, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.